I'm Dr. C. Christie, Assistant Professor from PG and Research Department of Computer Science and AI, St. Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Kadalur 1. This video, let us see about computer networks and internet basics. What are networks? Networks are interconnection of two or more computers connected through cables or wireless connections. The purpose of networks are to enable communication, resource sharing, and data exchange between devices. Types of network. There are three main types of networks available. LAN, local area network; MAN, metropolitan area network; WAN, wide area network. First, we will see these three types one by one. LAN. It covers small areas like buildings or offices, perfect for connecting devices within a single location. MAN. It spans across a city or metropolitan area. It connects multiple LANs within urban regions. WAN. It covers large distances including countries and continents. The internet is the largest WAN. Network topologies. Network topology shows how devices are arranged and connected in a network. The physical and logical arrangement determines how data flows between devices. Common network topologies. Let us see the four major network topologies. Mesh topology. The advantage is high security. Every device connects to every other. Disadvantage, expensive due to multiple connections. Star topology. Advantage, easy to installation. Hub failure affects only one link. Disadvantages, central hub dependency. Bus topology. Advantage, simple design with one backbone cable. Disadvantage, single cable fault stops entire network. Ring topology. Advantage, easy to install in closed loop. Disadvantage is one break stops all communication. The internet, the world's largest network. It mainly used for communication, e-commerce, information search, and so on. Communication, it connects with the people worldwide through messaging, video calls, and social platforms. E-commerce, buy and sell products online, transforming global commerce and shopping habits. Information search, access vast databases of knowledge, research, and educational resources instantly. Web terminology. Here we will see some web terminologies. Web page, a single document displayed in a web browser containing text, images, and links. Website, a collection of related web pages under one domain name or organization. Link, clickable text or image that takes you to another web page or resource. URL, web address that specifies location, that is .com, .org, .edu extensions. Internet applications, email communication, job search, video conferencing, e-commerce and payments, and so on. Email communication, fast message transfer with attachments. Format, username at mailserver.com. Job search, find employment opportunities on platforms like tnvalaivaaipu.com and monster.com. Video conferencing, online meetings with audio and video using Zoom, Google Meet, and similar platforms. E-commerce and payments, shop online and pay bills through Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, and other platforms. Connecting to the internet. Step 1. Get ISP connection. Choose an internet service provider for your area and subscription plan. Step 2. Connect your device. Use cable, Wi-Fi, or mobile data to establish physical connection. Step 3. Configure settings. Set up network parameters and authentication credentials as needed. Step 4. Open web browser. Launch browser software to start accessing websites and online services. The internet connects people worldwide, making it easy to share information, communicate, and learn. Knowing its basics helps us use it safely and effectively. Thank you.